You speak English?
No, I don't speak English.
Where are you going?
Going home.
Where do you live?
With my parents.
Where do your parents live?
With me?
Where do you all live?
Together.
I mean, where is your home?
Next to my neighbor's house?
Where do your neighbors live?
If I tell you that, you will not believe it.
Tell me!
Next to my house.
If Jimmy has 2 apples, listen, I'm not playing. 2 apples, and Emily gave him 2 more. Fix your face. 2 more. How many does Jimmy have?
He has 5.
You must want your ass electrocuted.
He has 4. He has 4.
You best to get it right.
He has 4 apples. 4 apples.
Hurry up, put it in now.
4 apples.
Next question. If Michael has 16 oranges and his brother Alex came and took 8 away, how many does he have?
Yes, 10.
You gotta refuse to be stupid, you monkey nut. If I have 8, what is 8 plus 8?
16.
So, if 8 plus 8 is 16, what is 16 minus 8?
It's 8.
So why would you say 10?
8. It's 8.
Put it in! Stop acting like you stupid. Boy, I swear to God.
Hey, line's back here.
Okay.
Line's back here.
Okay.
Line's back here.
Okay.
Hey, line's back here. Line's back here. Morning sale. Line's back here.
Okay.
Hey, line's back here.
Okay. Hey, la línea termina aquí. I forgot my wallet. I'll be right back.
Oh, no.
Right here. Can you take a picture of me, please?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. No, keep going.
Okay.
Let me see. No. Babe! These are all horrible. I don't think this is gonna work. That's a really nice picture. I'm sorry. Oh, I can never get this right. $384. You can swipe right here. Oh, it's declined.
My card is probably just a little dirty. Yeah, let me just wipe it off. Yeah. It should work now.
Okay. It's still declined.
The card's just dirty. I'm gonna clean it real quick. It should work now.
Nope, that's still declined.
He's gonna clean it real quick. It should work now.
Sir, it's still declined.
It should work now.
It's still declined.
It should work now!